In this part of video I will show you how to install NVS Greenex. Let's start. I have two virtual servers. One of them will be our development system and second will be quasi-productive. Every server has about 8 GB of memory and about 60-70 GB of free space on hard drive. The next step is to install our systems. Let's go. We will copy distributive and try to set up our first system. Before we started, let's check if our database is listening on port on his port. This command netstat. Let's check it. Here we are seeing that our database is listening on port 5432. That's okay. The next step, our step is to start install program. Let's begin. Run script called run install and connect to our install program with any browser. I would recommend you using of Firefox. Here we should correct your parameters and save, and make test connection. Without successful test, you cannot successfully install it. Start installation. For our productive, let's change our seed. That means name of our system and system number. After successfully finish, it's recommended to reboot your server. The procedure of installation takes about 5-10 minutes, not more. Okay, let's start. Let's connect to our development system and check if it running correct. Okay. It seems both our systems are installed correctly, and we will move to our next step. The installer has finished its work, and we now have two systems, and we are going to set up our transport robot. Let's log in into first development system. We are now in transaction TR10, and first of all, we should to register both systems in our transport system. we have just input new data for our first system, set IP address and system number. Of course, we have to set our user with password. For show, I am using administrator user, but you should choose any other user if you will set up a real transport route. Let's check connection and return into TR10. Log on again in order to read our list of systems. Let's create two systems landscaped. Dev system will be the server called Green 184, and productive system will be Green 185. Okay, let's check connect again. Yes, we are ready to move new transport requests by our transport route. So let's try to create a very simple program like HelloWorld to compile it and transfer to our productive. Let's start working with the SX38. First of all, we are creating a new project called HelloWorld. Let's add a new class. In Java language, class means small program, and we will agree to name which suggests our editor. As you can see, this class is very small, very simple, and we will just add the new label which will print HelloWorld phrase. Okay, format text and save. Okay, that's it for our new transaction, web link, which by help this link we will be able to launch our new transaction. Okay, and compile project. Okay. By starting transaction XCG, we have to create a new role. Let's give it name test. Hello okay, and we have to add a new authorization object, T-code, with name of our transaction in upper register. Okay. Go to transaction SX01 and assign new role to our user. Okay. Just hello. Let's try to start our transaction and see if we get our desirable result. It seems all is okay. We have our first application which just print one phrase, hello world. Okay, now we will try to include our new application and role in transport package and move all our development into productive system. Let's start. SX09, create transport request, give any name, for example hello world. Include the object. First we will include our hello world. Okay. You can make sure that global unique identified the same is in transaction SX38, and the second object will be our role. Okay. The next step, we will release request, and as you can see, all our development transfer into one file on file systems. Of course, you can transfer by hand it, but there is a better way, and we will use transaction TR10. Okay, let's try to move our transport request into productive system. For it, we have to log in development system and transaction TR10. And just drag and drop our request on productive system. Import request to production. Yes, okay. It seems all was okay. We have 0 exit code, and compile log is empty. Okay. The next step, go to productive, and try to start our HelloWorld application. That's right, because we have no appropriate rights. In other words, we have to add our role to administrator user. Go SX101, sorry, add role, now we have appropriate role, and try to repeat start of HelloWorld. HelloWorld. Okay, this is it. It's our desirable result. In next video I will show you how to create a real complex application by using IDE Eclipse and how it works on a real environment. If you liked this video, please give thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Thank you for watching.